Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the PX700HDH entertainment projector. This is an affordable lamp-based projector with really good colors and very high brightness that we think would make a wonderful movies night with the kids. So let's get it open and see what you get inside the box. Now that we have everything pulled out of the box, I can show you what you get. You get the projector itself, the PX700HDH, the quick start guide to show you how to set up the projector, the remote, batteries for the remote, and a power cable to power up the device and connect it to the wall. The device itself, on the top here, we have the menu controls and power so that if for any reason you don't have access to this remote or you can't find it, you have most of the controls you would need right here on the top of the device. Additionally, there is a zoom and a focus wheel. The zoom allowing you to zoom in and out of the image to kind of fine tune it for your projection system. On the back of the device, we have dual HDMI to allow for two sources at the same time, and also 3D if you have 3D support through, say, a Blu-ray player, and RS-232 that gives you remote control of this if you were to use this in a corporate or education environment where you may want to turn the projector on and off. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the PX700HDH. To find out more about this projector and all of our projectors, please head over to ViewSonic.com. Please also watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.